The Volvo-Varjo collaboration enables us to be the world's first car company to be able to drive with a mixed reality headset on the real road.
With XR1, we are able to explore digital objects as natural extensions of the real world. Varjo's vision is to create mixed reality where you cannot tell apart anymore what is real and what is virtual.
We wouldn't be able to test active safety scenarios against a real person. For the first time, we could overlay virtual objects such as virtual pedestrians and virtual mooses. We were able to expose them to that scenario. It creates an emotion when they see that the car saved both their life but also the people around the car. The headset is the world's best eye tracking system, allows us to interact with our eyes in real time and also being able to capture what the users are looking at while we drive on the road.
I'm creating an experience through lights in the interior of the car, and often it's difficult to simulate light. I can't really touch light and I can't really create the light. All of a sudden I can create whatever light environment I want to have in the car. The future is here. You can literally recreate whatever you want and simulating in a way that you can't even know if it's real or not.
So the Varjo XR-1 headset is really a game changer when it comes to speeding up the development process. On the road, we could add any feature or graphics or design. We could actually make the car see a virtual object and react to it as if it was a real object. We could also see what did the driver look at during the test. To understand the driver behavior is a key part of the development.
You have a mixed reality where it starts to be possible to have things where you doubt yourself. Is that real? Is it mixed reality? Is it virtual? What is it? Varjo's vision has been from the very beginning to create photorealistic mixed reality where you cannot tell apart anymore what is real and what is virtual. We use very high quality cameras that are incredibly low latency, and they're able to capture the reality, digitize it in real time, mix it, bend it however we want, and then what we do is that we show it through our human eye resolution VR headset. And this is what makes the XR1 truly unique.